Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a smart power strip and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we are reviewing the Teckin SS30 smart power strip. And basically, this power strip allows you to control whatever you plug into it via your phone, your tablet, or any kind of other device that you can connect with your Wi-Fi. But before we get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you are new to our channel, and also leave a like. And if you have any questions or concerns, also leave down below a comment if you guys have any questions or want to ask me anything. If you're a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can message me and we can potentially work together. And then if you guys want to follow us on social media, our links are always down below in the description. You guys can follow us on social media to stay connected, or just to, chat with me, or, just kind of chat with me, I guess. Yeah. And yeah, so basically now we're going to actually go on and review this Teckin SS30 smart power strip. So what we're going to do now is actually move on to the unboxing portion of this video. Alright, so what we're going to do right now is unbox this smart power strip. So you guys can see with this camera angle, you guys can see the box. So right here it says Teckin, and it says smart power strip right there. And then obviously I'm reviewing the SS30 model. And you guys can see there's a picture of the power strip right there. There's a few specifications on this side. You guys can take a pause and take a look at that. On the back, it just gives us more specifications and how to connect this with the application. So you guys can actually, control stuff that you plug in with your phone or your tablets, like I stated earlier. So what we're going to do now is actually unbox this basically smart power strip. So all you got to do is lift up this flap. And you guys can see the power strip rests inside that flap. So you guys can see we get our user manual right here. And then right here you guys can see we get the, the smart power strip. You guys can see there is 4 outlets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of these outlets you can actually control with your phone or any kind of device. Each one of them. And then we also get our, USB plugs, which are 4 of them. But with those, you can only control them all at once. You can't control one USB plug. You got, control every single one. And then also right here, you guys can see we got our, basically our power switch, or basically what makes it turn on and what makes it turn off. So what we're going to do is actually take this out of its box. It's a pretty simple power strip. I like how it's actually white, and it looks really nice. You guys can put this under your desk, or you guys can put this in front of your desk or on top of your desk. If you have like a little studio or a little place that you usually do a bunch of plugging in and plugging out stuff, this is perfect for you. You can even control basically how long you want it on, how long you want it off. So you can even schedule basically all the different outlets right here. And it's really simple to use, not too hard to use, and it's really convenient and nice. And basically now we're going to move on to the demonstration and basically test portion of this video. Alright guys, so basically now we're going to actually demonstrate and test out this Teckin SS30 smart power strip. So what we're going to do first is actually plug this into the wall. Alright, so basically what I just did was plug this smart power strip into the outlet. So basically what we're going to do now is actually demonstrate and actually show the use of the application and how to control with the application. And we're also going to demonstrate with a few devices so I can show you guys that this Teckin smart power strip does indeed work, and you guys can control each of these different plugs. So what we're gonna do is actually, I'm gonna start recording off my phone. So basically now you guys can actually see my phone screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the app that is called Smart Life. And this is basically where you would actually connect this smart power strip. You guys can actually use Alexa. You can also use Google Home, depending on what you prefer. But I'm gonna use Smart Life basically. So what you guys gotta do is, I already actually went through the process of actually connecting this to this application. But basically all you have to do is actually click that plus mark that's on the upper right corner of my phone screen, and you guys, it will show you how to basically connect to your smart enabled device. Well, since I already have it connected, it actually shows up right here as Smart Power Strip. Once I click on all on, it is going to turn on all of these outlets, and you guys are going to see a light beneath all the different outlets, and I'm going to do that right now. So you guys can hear that click, and you guys can see there is a red light in all the outlets, and also all the what is it called, the USB ports right there. You guys can see that. And yeah, basically what this means is that all of these ports are on, so whatever I plug in is going to get charged. But as you guys can see, I'm going to start turning off a few of these off. You guys are going to see that each individual outlet is going to turn off. So what I'm going to do is click switch 4 off, switch 3 off, switch 2 off, and now we only got switch 1 on, and we also got the USB ports on. So you guys can see, you guys can actually change that and pick which outlets you want on, which outlets you want off. So you guys can save power and not have to what is it called, drain power, because things are not plugged into that individual port. So what we're going to do is, I have a few devices, or let's just say few things that I can plug in to show you guys that this smart strip does indeed work. So what we have here is basically a light bulb. So what we're going to do is actually plug this in into switch 1. So I'm going to actually turn off switch 1. So now all the outlet ports are off, and we're going to plug this light in. Pretty simple. And I actually turned on the light. Okay, so right now it is actually on. But what we're going to do is, since the socket, like this socket is off, that's why this light switch is not turning on. Well, what's going to happen right now as I click on switch 1? On. Off. On. Off. On. Off. On. So basically I can control which outlets turn on and which outlets actually turn off. And like I said earlier, you guys can actually go down below in the settings and actually change when you want these outlets to turn on, when you want the outlets to turn off. And you guys can actually start making schedules. So if you have coffee that you want to brew in the morning and you don't want to get up and do it, you can actually automate it basically, and it's really nice. This is actually my second smart device that I remember reviewing. So you know, I've actually used this app, and its app is amazing. So you guys can see the light switch is on. You can turn it off. What else we're gonna test out is also the, what is it called, the USB plugs. So what I have here is actually my phone charger. So what we're gonna do is plug this into the smart strip, and now we're gonna put my phone in. Plug my phone in. Alright, so you guys can see on my top right corner of my phone, it is not taking any charge. But once I turn on the USB switch, it will start getting power. And you guys watch the top right corner. And you guys can see my battery indication now says that it is getting charged. So basically, this is very convenient. I really like it. It's really nice. And also what I'm going to do is show you guys that on even port 4 or switch 4, it still gets charged. So what I'm going to do is unplug it, plug it into port 4, and now turn on switch 4, and there you go, my phone is starting to get charged. So basically now we're going to move on to the final reflections and remarks and basically end off this video. So basically, what do I think about this Teckin SS30 Smart Power Strip? This is really convenient and practical, especially if you have a bunch of devices or things that you plug in on you use once in a while but you don't want always on, like for instance lights, or you have maybe some devices that you don't want constantly to be on. This is really convenient and perfect for you. You can control everything on your phone, when to turn on things, when to turn off things, and it's really convenient and practical. I really, this is definitely one of the more better products out there, considering that one, you save power, and then 2, you can also control and switch things on and off at any time practically, and it's really nice. I really enjoyed this Teckin SS30 smart power strip, and that's basically my review on this product. So basically, if you guys are looking for anything in this kind of spectrum or in this kind of area, I do recommend this smart power strip. You get 4 outlets, and you also get 4 USB plugs. You know, the fact that most homes now are, I don't know if they're incorporating these smart gadgets in homes now, but they really should, because that is the next step into the future. You know, the fact that we're still plugging things into the outlet sockets, but we can't control it without, basically the only way you can control it is what, either the device you plugged in has an on and off switch, or basically the outlet, you just, you know, take out the outlet. And this obviously eliminates you actually even getting up, because all you got to do is turn off the switch and it's off. So I really do recommend you guys at least, you know, checking this out, trying it, or if you're looking for something in this, definitely go and buy it. It's really nice, it's really safe, and it's very durable. It's not heavy, and yeah. Basically, that's my review on this product. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications if you guys are new to our channel. If you guys are a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can message us and we can potentially work together. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, always go down below in the comment section down below and leave your comments down, and I read everybody's, and I also reply back to all the messages I do receive. And then basically that is it. All the product links and info is in the description, so if you guys want more information on this product, just go down in the description. The link to this product is also in the description where you guys can purchase it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching my tech reviews on this Teckin SS30 smart power strip, and I hope to see you all on the next one. CrewElite signing out.